Look, I am going to tell you something that nobody tells about when it comes to scaling marketing automation. Your first 100 customers and your 10,000 customer need completely different system. And if you don't figure out this, you are either going to be lost customer, burn out your team, or waste thousands of dollars on the automation that does not automatically works. I learned this the hard way when my project World Winner CPA completely failed back in 2023. I hate automation setup, I hate the tech, I did not understand scaling. Today I am going to show you the exact framework that took me from zero to running maximum marketing, and more importantly the mistake that cost me months of processing so you don't have to repeat them. Stay until the end because I am breaking down the 5 stages of automation scaling that nobody else is teaching. Let's dive in. I am Brishajit Roy. You might know me as CPA Brishajit. I am 22 years old digital marketer from Bangladesh, and I started this journey back in December 2021 with literally zero experience and broad internet connection and my auntie's house. Here's what we are covering today. Why most marketing automation fails at scale, and it's not what you think. The 5 stages of automation grow from 100,000 plus real cost breakdowns so you know what to expect, the critical mistake that kill automation system when you hit growth spout, and the thing you must have in place before you even think about scaling. This is not theory. This comes from real failures, real testing, and working with businesses at different stages of growth. No overnight success promise, just honest, practical strategy that actually works. So let me ask you something. How you ever set up an email automation? Was it work beneficially if you were first 50 customer and then suddenly everything fails airport when you hit 500? This happened to me, and here's why it happens to almost everyone. Most people think scaling automation means just adding more tools, more customer equal bigger email list. Upgrade your software plan, right? Wrong. See, when I was building out my first major project, I made this exact mistake. I threw out, okay, I'll set up ConvertKit, create more workflows, and I'm good to go. It worked for a while, but here's what I don't understand. Scaling is not about size, it's about complexity. When you have 100 customers, you can get away with on welcome sequence on newsletter, maybe 2 or 3 simple automation. Manual customer support, but when you hit 1000 customers, suddenly you need segmentation based on behavior, multiple customer journeys, lead scrolling, automated re-engagement campaigns, a system that flags problem before customer campaign, and 10,000, you are looking at entirely different breast. My mechanic days, you know what told me about scaling? It was a marketing course. It was my year working as a mechanic back in 2018 to 19 when on customer bring in a motorcycle with engine trouble, you can diagnose it personally. Take your time, fix it by hand, but when you have 10 motorcycles lined up, you need system. You need diagnostic checklist. You need to know which problems are quick fix and which need specialist attention. Marketing automation is the same. Your first 100 customer, you can handle things manually, but growth without system, that's how you break down. Stage 1. The foundation, 0 to 500 customer. What you need? Basic email marketing platform like MailChimp, ConvertKit, Bravo, on solid welcome sequence, simple CRM, and even a well-organized spreadsheet clear testing system for customer interest. Cost range 0 to $50 per month. The big mistake here? Over-complicating. I see people with 100 customers trying to build enterprise level automation. Don't. At this stage, your job is to tell your customer directly and learn what they actually need. Here's what I did right. I manually emailed my first 100 subscribers asking what they struggle with. Those conversations shaped everything that come next. Create 3 tags in your system right now. Interest A, interest B, interest C. Even this basic segmentation will give you 10x better result than spending the same message to everyone. This is where most automation fails airport. You are too big to handle everything manually, but too small to afford enterprise tools. What changes? You need behavior-based segmentation. Who opens, who clicks, who buys. Automated leads scrolling becomes critical. You need to re-engagement sequence for interactive subscriber customer support can be on by on anymore. Cost range 50 to 200 bucks. This stage is uncomfortable. You need going to feel like you are losing to personal tasks. That's normal. When I hit this stage, I hate to create a discussion. Do I try to personally reply to every single comment and email? Or do I build system that help more people to add scale? I choose scale, and here's the framework I used. The 80-20 automation rule. Automated the 80% of questions that repeat FAQs, basic onboarding, common objections. Reverse your personal time to 20% that actually need human attention. Complex problem, high value customers, specific feedback. Action item. Write down the top 10 questions you get asked repeatedly. Create automated response for time them this week. This alone will free up 5 to 10 hours your time. Now we are playing a different game entirely. What you need: marketing automation platform with advanced workflows, active campaign, HubSpot, drop, multiple customer journeys based on buyer stage A/B testing, built into your sequence integration between your email, CRM, and scale tools, basic productive analysis. Cost range 200 to 600 bucks per month. The critical shift: you are no longer just automating tasks, you are building intelligent system. Let me give you the real example. At this stage, your automation should be no. If someone opens 5 emails but never clicks, they are curious but not ready. Nurture them. It's if someone clicks multiple links but doesn't buy, they have objection. Send case studies and testimonials. If someone opens everything and clicks everything but still does not buy, they might have budget corners, offer payment plan. This is where data becomes your best friend. The failure history? Remember when I monitored Walmart CPS? Here's exactly where it failed. I built the automation, I hate the traffic, but I don't build proper segmentation. I was sending the same message to beginners and experts. The beginners got overwhelmed, the expert got bored. Everyone left the lesson. All size fits all messaging dies at this stage. Action item. Map out your customer journey on proper right now. Where do they enter? What question do they have at each stage? What's the next logical step? Your automation should be match this journey, not force customers through a generic funnel. What changes? You need dedicated automation specialist or agencies, advanced personalization, dynamic content based on behavior, location, past purchase, multi-channel automation, email plus SMS plus push notification, retargeting ads, productive lead scrolling using AI, customer lifecycle automation, onboarding, engagement, retention, win back. Cost range 600 to 1000 bucks plus per month. The truth, most small businesses never need this level, but if you are here, congratulations, you have built something real. At this stage, the question is not how do I automate, it's what should I automate next and what should stay human. The golden rule I follow: automate everything that's predictable, keep humans involved in everything that requires judgment. What you need: enterprise marketing automation platform like Marketo, PaidRite, Salesforce, Marketing Colt, dedicated data team, machine learning for personalization, omnichannel organization, advanced attribution, monitoring. Cost range 200 to 10,000 month. I will be honest, I am not here yet, but I am studying businesses at there, and here's what they all say: the biggest challenge is not the technology, it's maintaining the human element at scale. Before you scale everything, you need those step 3 things in place. 1. Clean data. If your email list is full of fake address, interactive subscriber, and people who never wanted to be there, your automation will fail. Private attention. Clean your list every quarter. Remove inactive subscribers after 6 months of zero engagement. 2. Clear customer journey. If you need to know what problem does your customer have, how to discover you, what do they need to be believed before they buy, what happens after they buy, map this out. Your automation should support this journey, not replace it. 3. Response. Here's something most people miss: automation should make human interaction easier, not eliminate it. Every automated email I send has a replay option. Every sequence has an exact point if someone needs personal help. Why? Because the goal is not effectively for efficiency sake, it's the solving customer better at scale. Let me rapid fire the mistakes that will kill your automation. Mistake 1. Scaling before validating. Don't automate a process that does not make manually. I see this all the time. People automate a broken scales funnel and wonder why it does not convert at scale. Mistake number 2. Buying tools you don't need. That $500 per month platform might look impulsive, but if you have 300 customers, you are wasting money. Start simple, upgrade when you are actually hit the limits. Mistake number 3. Set it and forget it. I check my automation performance every single week. Open rates dropping. Time to refresh the copy. Click rates down. Test now CTS. Automation requires maintenance. Mistake number 4. Ignoring the human tasks. The business that scale successfully keep real people scalable. Have support channels. Reply to comments. Show up live occasionally. Don't despair behind the automation. Mistake number 5. No testing plan. Every stage requires every testing. Test subject lines, test send times, test content formats. The data will surprise you every single time. Here's the bottom line. Scaling mistake automation is not about having the funniest tool or biggest budget. It's about understanding where your customers are in their journey and giving them the right message at the right time. Start small, test everything, scale what works, and never ever lose sight of the humans behind the email address. I am Rishajit Roy and I started 3 years ago with nothing but curiously I am even internet connection. Even failure taught me something. Every small win built momentum. You don't need to be a guru. You just need to be willing to learn, test and improve. If this helped you, hit the like button. If it genuinely helps more people to find this content, and subscribe if you want more honest, no BS digital marketing strategies, and drop a comment telling me what stage are you at right now. What's your biggest automation challenge? I read every comment and I reply as many as I can. Thanks for watching. Now go build something real. Bye.